25 years is not a short span of time. It's a long, long time. And what keeps us still standing? मुझे लगता है वो दो चीज़ें हैं. One is the team we have, और वो सबसे ऊपर है. So all my thanks to each one of you, because it is not possible and it's not easy अगर आप में से एक भी missing हो, right? So the first thing definitely is the team which has kept us standing tall. The second thing which I think is, I am sure all of you would agree, कि what keeps an organization standing for last 25 years, जब हमने इतने changes देखे हैं, we've seen a lot of ups and downs. So what keeps us standing is only and only one thing, and that is change. We have been able to innovate. Every single time a difficulty comes, we've converted it into an opportunity. Har baar. And that has only been possible because, again, as I say, because of the strong team we have both front stage and backstage. So super, super thankful to each one of you कि आपके साथ we have reached this milestone, and I'm sure we'll keep reaching more milestones with all of you. And as I said, to keep the journey going, we need to constantly evolve, we need to constantly change, we need to constantly upgrade, and this is just going to be a small presentation on what we have on board currently. क्या changes हम कर रहे हैं, how we are constantly improving, we're taking feedbacks from everyone, and we keep evolving into something better every single time. So we all know that we are the only organization that has live teaching on the platform itself. It's not Zoom, it's not YouTube, it's on the app. And the best feature is the live chat, जिससे interactivity रहती है. And I'm sure each of our faculty would agree that अगर वो chat ना हो, तो वो time जो है वो उसकी value हमें शायद नहीं रहेगी, right? So that chat keeps us alive, that chat keeps us, connected to each and every student. And I'm sure जब आप student का नाम लेते हो, उसका doubt solve करते हो, the experience that they have is completely different from what they would have from, without the chat. The new thing that our IT team has brought up is poll section. So each of you faculties would be able to very soon use the poll on the app, and it will improve the interactivity even further. It will keep them hooked on. The idea is to keep us all hooked on as teachers, as students. We have a unique QBank, and I'm sure agar we constantly keep doing what we are doing with our QBank, it is going to be a good differentiator. We call it as DQB GOAT because we have the greatest of all teachers here all together. So a huge round of applause for all of you. And when we thought ki there are so many options when it comes to question practice, right? There is social media, there are various channels, handles, app, and so many things. How do we make ourselves different? A lot of times, when we interact with students, we found out they really don't want to learn the entire chapter जो पूरे explanation में दिया होता है, because आप वो पढ़ा चुके हो. What they are keen on knowing is why my answer is wrong despite reading the entire chapter. And that's where you make a difference with your GOAT videos. Those short 1.5 minute videos, tell the student precisely where they lacked, what was the key word they missed, where they, couldn't rule out an option and rule in another option. So, those GOAT videos are something which are really, really a rage with these students, and I'm sure it will keep picking up more pace. Also, we constantly are updating the app. So, चाहे कोई भी latest exam हो, अभी NEET PG अभी हुआ है, but until that, whether it is INICT, whether it is FMG, whether it is NEET PG, we are updated with videos. There is a separate section for PYQs. So there is a lot of things that can be done on the QBank itself by the students. चाहे वो mix bag करना चाहें, चाहे वो topic wise करना चाहें, right? So all that is there, and we need to just keep it pushing. And I'm sure that the QBank is going to come out as a differentiator. Then, yes, B2B is back to basics, is something that definitely is required for one niche of students, right? जो शायद live ना कर पाएं, and we have to understand that it's not one is better than the other. It is about what suits whom, and we should have everything for everyone. कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ हमें सबको ऑफर करने के लिए होनी चाहिए. Somebody who can do it live can do it live. But what about those students who maybe cannot do it live or may not be able to come to a face-to-face center? And that's where B2B comes in, right? They are wonderfully recorded lectures by all our esteemed faculty. और USP क्या है DAMS का? Content, concept and crisp. That's what we are known for. Over these 25 years, this is what you've all built, a legacy, right? And with this, our reach is ever expanding. मैं ये बोलूँगी, let's not think as these recorded videos as a competitor between our live classes. It's a separate zone. It's a separate genre altogether. Let's push it as well. And as I said, हर बच्चे की need अलग-अलग है, and we must try and give them what they need in the best possible way. So huge thank you to all the faculty, and this year we're almost ready with launching the new set of B2B videos, and we're super excited for it, where the precision is even further, the interactivity, the teachers have that art. Even if the student is not there, they know what to say, when to say, what question to answer, कि बच्चे को लगे कि वो शायद वहीं बैठा है, right? And that's the art that you all have. Now we are launching with special first year and second year courses. Dr. Sumer has already mentioned we are almost done with all the recordings. They will be available separately also and as a bundle as well. They are more in-depth, more topic-wise, again more precision, छोटे-छोटे topics भी covered हैं, so that जब बच्चा नया MBBS में आता है, they need a little more hand-holding than just MCQs or just the concise version. So as I said, the app has everything to offer, whether it is concise videos in the form of crash course, the full-length videos like B2B, live teaching, so you name it and we have it there, right? We have a new layout for the resident courses, which makes it, again, much more easy to use by the students, and student feedbacks are amazing. I would request more and more faculty to please come up with the resident courses. We are doing great, and जब आप लोगों का और expertise उसमें आएगा, so each and every resident course is going to go really viral. So yes, that is there. Workbook-based teaching is something that again we innovated, right? Because we are always changing. So faculty, Dr. Sumer, हम जब इकट्ठे बैठते हैं, we always think about बच्चे को लिखना भी है मगर उतना भी नहीं लिखना है. So how to keep them engaged, and that's the beauty, that how to keep your students engaged. So workbook concept is amazing. I think it is again very, very popular among students, and with all images at one place, all tables at one place, उनका effort भी कम है, but it also ensures that they are equally engaged in the class or in the lecture. Yes, for our franchisees and everyone, we now have a dedicated partner app enrollment. So आप कहीं से भी enrollment कर सकते हैं directly from the app itself. The ease is there. Any course, anywhere in India, you can enroll. Not only in India, I think students are enrolling from overseas also. And this is all possible with the new partner app that we have. Okay, so there is, as Dr. Sumer said, our goal is not to just be a product, but a place where medicos or medical students, nursing, and anywhere where it is connected, we can all interact. And there are various layouts on the app where you can do that. For example, there is a daily quiz section, which students wait for. रात के 12 बजे they know कि ये 5 question आएंगे. And they are all waiting for it to be a part of it. And ये हमने सोचा कि students are afraid of solving bigger chunk of MCQs to begin with. So कहीं पे उनकी sensitization होनी चाहिए, and that's where this comes. So it is a great interactive place. And since I'm talking about more and more information for students, we have a deeply now made study analytics tool. Student can know about subject wise, even chapter wise, even topic wise, what topics have they done wrong, kitna unka completion rate hai, and every other detail is now available. So it becomes easier to know what are my weak zones, how can I improve. And agar koi bhi student faculty se bhi ye पूछता, I mean you can then and there ask them to show you, अच्छा चल medicine का हमको दिखा दे कि how are you performing, and the student gets a reality check suddenly. It was just like जब हमारे बच्चे जब स्कूल जाते हैं, they are giving their tests, but जब हम पूछते हैं कितने नंबर आए, and that's where it strikes. So, you can always ask a student, show me your analytics tool, and that's where they will start getting more and more hooked on as well. We have come in a big way in the FMG segment with a lot of hard work by a lot of people in there. So now we have a great batch with FMG with great results. We have 86% results this year in the FMG, when the overall result is only 20%. I mean, that's striking difference. And we are doing live classroom teaching, which is relayed at the same time on the app itself. So bacha kahin bhi baitha ho, they are seeing the same class, the same faculty with the same energy, with the same words, and that does make a difference. Okay, for student also, we're making it more and more friendly. The schedules can be accessed from the app for the entire course at one time itself. So they really don't have to ask a coordinator or anyone कि कौन सी class आ रही है या क्या आ रहा है. So thanks to that, she keeps, she's on her toes and the schedules are there. So it becomes easier for the students as well. Yes, so talking about the new areas where all of you can also interact with students, there is a doctor's lounge where we have different things that we can offer. It can be candid talks like podcasts and transform sessions, but it could also be something academic like, an EQ section where we are discussing MCQs. You all have contributed to that. So this is an area where we leave the creativity to the creators. So all of you, you can come up with more ideas on what you want to give out to these students in various formats. Because, आजकल के बच्चे ऐसे हैं जिनको constant stimulation चाहिए. So, you chota de do, but they need that stimulus. So this is the area where you can come up with your own ideas, and we're always open to evolve, improve, right, and make it even more creative, right. मैंने अपना एक diary section बनाया है, which is just some important points, and students can quickly flip through. इसी तरह से if you have any ideas, specific to your branch or overall, we can always keep doing that. Thanks to the IT team, they are always evolving, keeping up pace with what we want at DAMS. Yes, so idea was to have a one-stop app जिसमें सब कुछ है. So once a medical student is there or a nursing student is there, anything that they can need, जैसे Dr. Sumer ने कहा, maybe it is some basic equipment like a stethoscope or something required for their practical, in the hospital. So all those are made available here. We have our books which can be bought directly from the app. Yes, they're available on Amazon as well, but yes, this is where they can, directly take the books. So all these things are there in the MediMart section. So we do have an e-commerce part as well on the app. All this that we have talked about today has been the reason why we have been able to give consistent results over last 25 years. There was a time जब students यहाँ के बोलते थे कि जब हम वाइवा में आंसर करते हैं तो हमसे पूछा जाता है कि इतना सब कैसे आता है. And I think the content कोई भी दे सकता है, but मुझे लगता है our faculty has a way of giving the content which is concept based, application based, and integrated. And that's the beauty. Your idea is not to bombard the student with information. We are not reading out a textbook. Our idea is to simplify things in a language where the student understands, delivers it, irrespective of whether it is a practical exam, a viva voce, an entrance exam, or maybe really practicing medicine in their wards or clinics or OPDs. So, as I said, thank you to each one of you sitting here today for being a part of our journey and making us who we are, making DAMS what DAMS is. And I would say there is only one pillar on which DAMS is standing. It's not Dr. Sumer, it's not me. It's the team that we are, all of us included in it. It is not possible for any one person to do it. So everyone has contributed in an immense way, और हम बहुत बार शायद gratitude express नहीं कर पाते हैं, but today I think is the day where me, Sumer, we are deeply, deeply grateful to every member, and we value your association with us. today actually made me realize how much I value each one of you even more, right? It is like family, and I'm thankful that we've got a lot of like-minded people, wonderful human beings, and great teachers. Great team as well, back-end, IT, support in every which way. सब लोग ऐसे काम करते हैं कि वो अपने लिए काम कर रहे हैं, डैम्स के लिए नहीं. So thank you so much for all that you have given to us. And we will be there with each one of you to the best of our ability. Thank you so much.